Hey and welcome. In this video I want to talk about the following. So if you remember, if I just say show tables that we created, one of the tables that we created name it following. So if I say describe for the following, you see this one have user ID and following by other user ID. So if I want to follow any person, I want to say, hey, my ID is following that ID, and that is. So and how to do it? Say okay, insert into the table name it following, and what two field I want to add? I want the user ID following other user ID, saying hey, then say values 1 follow 2, like the person ID 1 following person ID 2. If I say select star from following, okay, then he say hey 1 follow 2. So how to do following? Okay, I could do it here by creating new file and save this file under name it user following. So I say user following in this way dot PHP. User following exactly same as the register. You just register a new person. So just copy this code, move it to user following. So the page that we will call it, name it user following. Okay, the thing that we pass, we know that we see here we passed for some information, one of them user ID and following user ID. So you say okay, we will get the user ID, for example, whatever. Let we just suppose this one should be, because I'm passing too many information here, so I don't want this part. I'm saying here this one user ID, for example 1 is following other user ID. So this is, that means is following other user ID. I don't need this one. I would say operation. So operation, this one. So operation, if the operation be 1, that means following. If operation be 2, I do this follow. So op1 for follow and op2 for unsubscribe. So I just do unsubscribe for the person. So what the statement should be? Okay, going back here, really easy. Copy this code, come back, add it here. This is all my code should be. So instead of this one, I need to add this to dot then $sign get for that. So what I'm getting user ID in this way. Instead to also I will replace it with other user ID, following user ID. Okay, that's what we do. But one thing, say hey, if the operation for this get, so if I say hey, if get equal 1, like operation that pass it, that means I'm doing a process of this process, like only for 1. So now if I just run this query, hopefully it will work. I don't say message failed, message you following is updated, say following is updated, and boom. So if I just go here, try to run that query, following is updated. If I just go, now I have 2 record, 1 follow 2, 1 follow 2. This is for following. For don't follow, I have to say delete from following, where I have to do add 2 condition. I am deleting according to condition. User ID equal that 1 and following user ID equal 2, and boom, delete. Now if I just say select, I don't have any record. So don't follow, just you remove your following, you're subscribing. So this is the statement for not follow. If I just go back here, I say same code, just copy it, say else if operation equal 2, this is for not follow. So the process is deleting. So if I just go back to this statement, delete. So go back again, I have to do delete. Same, this code should be replaced instead this ID, and this code should be replaced instead that ID. I don't know how I did copy the right or not. Yeah, I just need this ID. I don't need too many things because I'm just in the end of the statement. So instead of this, I say dot that ID for not follow. So if I just go here now, click enter, if updated, if you just check the database, you see person 1 following person 2. If I just same call, just change it to operation to 2, that means I want to do unfollow. Again, he told you the updated. If I just go back, you have to remove it. Boom! Yes, we done. So here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.